Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about Vivo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Vivo phone mobile hotspot setup. Friends, we want to set up mobile hotspot on your Vivo mobile. So how to set up any mobile hotspot setting today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on Vivo mobile. So friends, scroll it and friends click on network setting. Friends, you want to an aeroplane mode, you want to use Wi-Fi setting, you can use from here. So friends, click on hotspot setting and click on Wi-Fi hotspot. Friends, you can see your mobile hotspot is off, so friends you can on from here. After on friends, you want to share your mobile hotspot, so you can share your mobile hotspot from here. First friends, you can check your mobile hotspot device name. Friends, you want to change your Vivo phone device name, so you can change. So I will change it to phone Vivo. So friends, I will set this device name and okay friends, device name will change. Friends, you can see hotspot password. Friends, you want to check your Vivo phone hotspot password, you can check your Vivo phone hotspot password. Friends, you want to set new password, so you can set new password on your device. And when your password should be friend 8 digit. Friends, you can see 7 digit we cannot use, 8 digit we can change password. Friends, now you will find here one time data limit uses. Friends, you want to set data limit and 50 MB, 100 MB, 200 MB, and friends if you click on custom, so you can set like 250 like that. Friends, you can set your, so guys I will set it into 550 MB and okay. So like that friends, you can set one time data limit. Friends, you can see maximum allowed connection. Friends, you want to set 1 2 3 4 5, so you can set from here. Example guys, if you click 5, so 5 device can connect your mobile hotspot, so I will set into only 2. As you can see, turn off hotspot when no device are connected. So guys, automatic your hotspot will off when no device are connected. So your hotspot automatic will off. So guys, last we will off Wi-Fi hotspot. So like that friends, you can set up your mobile hotspot on your Vivo phone device. And friends, you can set up the shortcut setting also. Click on phone setting. Direct click on the search option. Search here Wi-Fi setting. Oh sorry guys, Wi-Fi hotspot. We will search here Wi-Fi hotspot. Click here direct and you can set up from here hotspot device name, hotspot password, one time data limit, maximum collection, maximum connection friends you can set. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video friends. Now do you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section friends, I will check, I will help you. And friends, you want to on data saver on your Vivo phone, so you can on data saver from here friends. Bye guys.